Kobe's been waiting patiently because we wanted to open the package when Mommy was home. And now, Mommy's home because she had a meeting.
Yeah.
Okay, Kobe. Let's see. Okay, I'll help you. What's this? What's this? Who is it for, Kobe? What's that say?
Grandma and Grandpa.
Who is it for? Whose name is on there?
Put this over. Big knot on his head.
Big bump on your head.
There's Mia.
You got a big bump on your head.
Mia, this package is for you too.
Kobe's got a huge bump. Here, Mommy, open that. Hey, look at that.
Oh, cute.
Look at that.
It's for Mia. It's for Mia.
And look at this.
Oh, it's for Mia.
And there's this. And this.
What's that?
Okay, Kobe, you read the card. What does it say?
That's for Kobe. Oh, that's cute.
That is really cute. Oh, she must have got it from Hawaii. That is really cute. Oh, that is really cute. Yeah.
Have that for Easter breakfast. Oh, cool.
And this is a cup.
You love it?
What does it have in there?
What do you think? What's it called?
Eggs.
Mm-hmm.
Some eggs in there?
Yes.
Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. I love it.
Say thanks. Happy Easter, everybody.
Says Happy Easter to Kobe and Mia from the Easter Bunny, Grandpa and Grandma.
And this is a plate.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Bunnies on it.
I think the Easter Bunny's coming on Sunday.
Blue for Kobe, pink for Mia.
I like this one.
Which one?
This one.
You like the pink one?
Yeah, that's a nice one.
That is a cool one. The pink matches pink and blue matches blue. Oh my God. For me. Kobe.
Yeah, I think one cup. Well, Mia can't drink from the cup anyways.
And then some Easter Bunny friends. Easter Bunny friends.
Or those other ones. What is that other?
This one?
Say, okay, say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Kobe, say it right here. Say
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa, for showing the presents.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Now we got to get ready to go to school.
Yay.
Bye.